In latest that we are breaking to you, BJP escalating their attack against Congress. As opposition continues with disruption politics, BJP MPs protest at the Gandhi statue to mount offensive against the Congress party. Aditi is joining me for more. Yes, Aditi, if you could bring us more details on that protest that is being conducted by the BJP MPs. What exactly are they demanding?
In fact, Afrida, not only the BJP but also the NDA allies have joined together in this protest that is being organized inside the Parliament compound outside the Gandhi statue. In fact, this is a strategy of the BJP to intensify their attack against the Congress party. Again, inside during the protest, the demands have been the same, that Congress party should take action against their own chief ministers, whether it is in the state of Kerala, Karnataka, Uttarakhand or Himachal Pradesh. In fact, for the past 3 days, we have been seeing back-to-back press conferences being held by the top senior leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, demanding resignations of the chief ministers and former chief ministers of Congress party and the Congress ruled states. In fact, just a tactic to intensify this attack on the Congress party, the BJP today has organized a protest against Congress. Allies of the NDA have also joined in this protest. The demand continues to be the same, that in case Congress party is demanding resignations of senior BJP leaders, whether we talk about Sushma Swaraj, Vasundhara Raje or Shivraj Singh Chauhan, first of all, they should sack their own chief ministers in the front. In fact, today also the protest has been categorically focused on states such as Uttarakhand, Kerala and Karnataka, and the BJP MPs now demanding resignations of all the 3 chief ministers of the Congress-ruled states. Afrida, this has been a strategy of the government which they are going to keep continuing till the time Congress does not allow the House to function smoothly. They have been saying that they will continue to embarrass and expose the Congress party. Sack your chief ministers first and only then ask for resignations of the BJP leaders, Afrida.